Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any single company among 45,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.32. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock currently lies in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 45.88% to negative 11.96%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 84.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 48.56% and 255.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $441.02 and $1,056.28. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated features the headline, Significant Fluctuations in MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, moving 25.08% between high and low. The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased by 24.76% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $237.95 to $296.86. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 25.08%, with a low of $241.69 and a high of $302.31. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of 9.85% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day, coinciding with the rising price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 15 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a combined total of 38 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.28 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest price was $101. Currently, the stock price stands at 45.33%, or $246.14, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, news surrounding Strategy Incorporated, previously known as MicroStrategy, highlights significant developments that could impact its stock price, MSTR. The company recently disclosed a massive loss of $5.91 billion on digital assets for the first quarter of 2025, leading analysts to expect a net loss for the quarter. This alarming financial disclosure has attracted attention, with shareholder rights advocates from Levi and Korsinski commencing an investigation into possible securities fraud violations. Similarly, Braunstein, Gewurz and Grossman, LLC, is also investigating potential claims on behalf of investors who acquired MSTR securities. These investigations could weigh heavily on investor sentiment, potentially leading to increased volatility and downward pressure on the stock price in the short term. Furthermore, MSTR often ties its performance to Bitcoin prices, and the current environment reflects heightened scrutiny of cryptocurrencies and leveraged investments. As institutional interest wanes, concerns about MSTR's strategy of holding significant Bitcoin reserves could deepen. In the long term, continued losses and ongoing legal issues may undermine investor confidence, resulting in a reassessment of MSTR's competitive positioning in both the technology and cryptocurrency markets. All these factors combined suggest that traders and investors will need to monitor MSTR closely to evaluate its resilience amid the current and impending challenges. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of April 2025, it was reported that Monnes assigned MSTR a sell grade alongside a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Barclays gave MSTR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned NSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. However, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. On any downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at 285 and 34 cents and 287 and 40 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 24.76%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $250.92 and $250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support at $250.92. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, This stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $60.62 between its high and low, representing a change of 25.08%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 16.78%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.0233. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $297.49. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Leslie J. Rechin, who bought and sold 34,800 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.791. Overall, insiders purchased 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $284.93, reflecting a decrease of 4.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Notably, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded from a strong sell to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $16.57, starting at $280.29. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.